Hey Money Loves, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are so shocked about this color, but y'all know me, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it and let you guys know where this hair is from. Of course, as y'all can see from the title, this hair is from HairSpells.com. Y'all know I had to go ahead and get another wig from them, but of course in a different color. This is the mint green synthetic lace front wig, and they also have a $5 coupon for you guys down below, so check out my description box to get some money off. We love to save a coin, okay? And I am absolutely loving this color, y'all. I will talk about the specs in this video and also show you guys how I applied it and styled it. At the end, I'll probably tell you guys how I ended up with this hairstyle instead of just, you know, my typical swoop to the side or middle parts. But I'm liking, I'm feeling it. It's different. I've never had a hairstyle like this before, so it's kind of like so y'all let me know what you think about this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the bag. So y'all are getting it right when it comes out of its delivery bag. Y'all can see DHL. And of course it comes in the same purple pinkish bag, which I still love about HairSpells. And I'm gonna open this. Comes in another bag as well, and information about HairSpells and a coupon for the next order. So there is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the hair, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Okay, per usual, the hairline looks really, really good. Let's see if y'all can see right here. All the way around. So yeah, and this one actually comes with a part. Unlike the pink and the purple one I have reviewed, this one comes with a part already. So we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. It comes with 3 combs here and in the middle, and then adjustable straps in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on and show y'all what's tea, okay? Okay, so this is what the hair looks like on my head. I love the color, and this is supposed to be in 24 inches, but I feel like this is more like a 22. So this is where it comes right here. This is where 22 usually hits me when I have 22 inches, because 24 goes to like the middle of my back. So this is kind of like shorter than that. But the only thing I don't like about the hair right now is the luster of it. It is really shiny right now, but it's pretty. I love the color of it. So per usual, I'm just gonna go ahead and style it and everything, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end results. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is the hairstyle I came up with, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. This kind of just came about while I was fixing this part over here. Then I was just like, oh, that looks kind of cute like that. You know, it could be cute in like two. If I would have did two over here, that would have been cute too. But I don't know, I kind of like it. And I wouldn't put some hoops on just to give it a little pizzazz, you know, a little sassiness. So you guys let me know what you think about this hair. Other than the shine, I do love the color, but again, some of you guys have told me ways to get out the shine, so I'm not really worried about that. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the hair. I absolutely love this color. Look at that, look how the light is just hitting it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hair or this hair color, and let me know that you like these synthetic wig videos by thumbsing up this video. Go ahead and share this video on your social media platforms as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, money loves.